Alright, what's up, y'all? Yeah, you know what time it is. Your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. And yes, fresh off work, and it's time to whoop up another SNAK-A-GIZ. Let's get to it. Alright, so what I'm whooping up is we're going to go ahead and have some breakfast tacos for dinner. Yeah. Got some eggs right there, some huevos, and got some of this beef sausage. Love the beef sausage. And got some onion right there. We're going to dice that up. I'm going to add a little bit of this pickled garlic, man. Look at that. Yeah, got that from Zion Market. I ain't going to use too much of that. I'm just using that for flavor. And for my cheese, I'm going to use some of this Cathedral City Vintage English Cheddar. UK's #1 cheese. Yeah, you know what time it is. What's up to Barbecue Lads and Jack's Meat Shack? Love those dudes' videos. And we're going to be wrapping them up in some of these, man. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Mission Sweet Hawaiian Flour Tortillas. Street tacos. So I got a couple tablespoons of butter melting, about 2.5, and I kind of let it clarify, let all the water evaporate to concentrate the butter flavor. And we're gonna go ahead and throw our onions in here, and we're gonna let these onions go until they get real nice and soft. I put the lid on these onions to help steam them and speed it up, and it worked. As you can see, got a little color on there, you know, nice little color on the onion right there. And now we're going to add this little bit of garlic. Just a little bit. Man, that smells good. Smell real good. Okay. So we got that garlic in there. Now we come in with the sausage. And you want to incorporate that up. And we're going to let this cook until we get some nice color on the sausage before we add this egg and this cheese to it. All right, back in a minute. You want me to tell you when I'm going to pour in the eggs?
I mean, I'm saying when.
Would you like to see me pour in the eggs, sir? Do you get a thrill of pouring the eggs?
No, I'm just saying that when you're gonna pour in the eggs.
I mean, is it something that you really want to see?
No, I mean, you're...
Oh, okay. So I got a little color on the sausage. Got some nice fat rendered out of there. Now it's time to add these eggs. Yeah. That's 8 scrambled eggs. In case you missed that count. I'm gonna turn this fire down some. I'm gonna work this for a second. And then we're gonna start adding that cheese. Thanks to my son for doing that for me. All right, let's put that down and let's get the sprinkling a little bit. Just little happy cheesy goodness. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That's enough. Some strong cheese, so we don't want to. Remember, the kids got to eat. And we're going to go ahead and get to scrambling this up. And we're going to be back with a taco. So we about ready. Through the whole cooking process, I kept the heat on low. And I just kept it moving like this, just to keep the eggs nice and soft. So it don't be like one big omelet up in this bad boy. So now that's ready. I mean, something real quick. There it is. Quick little tip. We're gonna do this like this. The heat is off. We're gonna cover it and let them bad boys steam to perfection. So these tortillas is nice and steamed up. Went ahead and just placed them in the pot and put the lid over it and let them steam along with the nice and juices and greases of all that food. And the tortillas we're using, remember, it's the Mission Sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas, street taco style. So got a tortilla. We're gonna get a little mixture here. I mean, you know, you don't want to make it too big, man. You want to make sure you make the filling, you know, fit what you eating it with. Look at that. My daughter gave me this good old little package of Texas Pete hot sauce. There. All right. Let's get a bite. All right. Nice little whoop up. Nice little SNAK-A-GIZ by your boy. You know, something real quick for dinner. There ain't nothing wrong with eating breakfast for dinner. But to me, the star of the show is the Sweet Hawaiian tortillas from Mission. These bad boys. Hold on, let me show you that. These bad boys right here, I'm sure those are going to be good. I haven't tasted one yet. I wanted to wait till I eat before I taste it. And then the cheese I use, the #1 cheddar in the UK. That right there. Yeah. Cathedral City, vintage. And the cheese had the crystals. It was like aged where it had that crunch in there. And I love that. And we seasoned everything with the Goya Total. With some fresh cracked black pepper and with the beef sausage. So now, enough talking. I'm gonna let y'all know what how these tortillas taste right now. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The pickled garlic that I had in there, I really was chancing that. I didn't, you know, because the kids, but you can't even, it brought such a nice sweet note and just that nice subtle garlic taste to it. And I let the onions cook down, and then along with the sweetness of these tortillas. Oh my goodness. The Mission Sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas, the street taco size. I don't know if they make them bigger, but these bad boys right here. I can't believe how good this tastes. And then, you know, I thought with all that in there, along with that real strong cheddar, I thought it was going to taste a little funky, but the way all this blends together is amazing. I hope y'all check it out. All right, I'm gonna finish this taco and then I'm gonna eat another one and another one. Okay, that's how good they are. Kids is ready to eat. I'm ready to wrap this up. Appreciate everybody checking me out. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube and IGTV on Instagram. Keenan just felt like cooking. This is another SNAK-A-GIZ.